Bonjour, c'est Claire at Clearly French. Today's sentence drill is about the structure I have something to do. We're going to start really easy and then make it a bit more complex as we go along. Now I want you to remember two things. The first one, French uses a plus infinitive as the bridge to either describe the purpose of a thing or an obligation. J'ai un livre à lire. Or qualify difficulty or possibility with an adjective. C'est facile à faire. In the first instance, the a plus infinitive links a noun, le livre, with the action that needs to be done to it, livre. In the second one, a plus infinitive links an adjective, facile, with the action, faire. The second thing, and this is another structure that will fit into the first one, is you need to insert de after rien, quelque chose, quelqu'un, personne, when these are followed by an adjective. For instance, je n'ai rien d'intéressant à faire. So there's two things you have to remember, the de and the a. Let's look at purpose or obligation to start with. I have things to finish for tomorrow. J'ai des choses à finir pour demain. Here we have the a as a bridge. I have something to finish for tomorrow. Slightly different. J'ai quelque chose à finir pour demain. I haven't got anything to finish for tomorrow. Now remember, in French, we don't have the not anything. We say nothing instead. Je n'ai rien à finir pour demain. In effect, I have nothing to finish for tomorrow. I have absolutely nothing to finish for tomorrow. Je n'ai absolument rien à finir pour demain. Now let's make it a bit more difficult. I have important things to finish for tomorrow. Now we've introduced an adjective. J'ai des choses importantes à finir pour demain. Importante, obviously, feminine plural, because it's des choses. I have something important to finish for tomorrow. Now remember, we said after something you need the de when there's an adjective. J'ai quelque chose d'important à finir pour demain. I haven't got anything important to finish for tomorrow. Je n'ai rien d'important à finir pour demain. Again, we say I have nothing important, not anything. What did you do that's interesting? Or as you would say in English, what have you been up to? But we actually say, what did you do that's interesting? Literally. Qu'est-ce que tu as fait d'intéressant? And here people always ask, well, why do you need the? I can't see quelque chose in there, but it's because it's implied. Let's go down the rabbit hole on this one. She has a lot to do. Elle a beaucoup à faire. Here, beaucoup de choses is implied. But just like in English, you don't need to put it in. She hasn't got much to do. This is where the trap is. Because we don't say pas beaucoup or pas beaucoup de choses. We say pas grand-chose. Elle n'a pas grand-chose à faire. She never has much to do at work. Elle n'a jamais grand-chose à faire au travail. She no longer has much to do at work. Elle n'a plus grand-chose à faire au travail. Your ne plus is the no longer. Now let's look at the same structure to express possibility or difficulty. It's difficult to do. C'est difficile à faire. It's not difficult to do. Ce n'est pas difficile à faire. It's too difficult to do. C'est trop difficile à faire. It's far too difficult for her to do. C'est beaucoup trop difficile à faire pour elle. Now let's have a look at further examples. It's easy to say. C'est facile à dire. It's impossible to solve. C'est impossible à résoudre. It's always nice to look at. C'est toujours agréable à regarder. It's never nice to hear. Ce n'est jamais agréable à entendre. If you like this video, you will find more examples like these in lesson 1 and 2 of my Parler Français method level 1, and the link is in the description below. You can download lessons 1 to 3 for free to have a look.